Welcome to Beautyistic. If you're tired of dealing with food stuck between your teeth or struggling to keep your smile plaque-free throughout the day, you're in the right place. Let's talk about a tool that could seriously up your oral care routine: DenTek Deep Clean Bristle Picks. Now, while oral hygiene isn't typically a beauty product, it's essential for that overall polished, fresh look we all strive for. If you haven't already, make sure to hit that subscribe button and tap the bell icon for more honest product reviews like this one. DenTek Deep Clean Bristle Picks come in a pack of 100, divided into 12 convenient cases. These little picks are designed to help you clean those tricky spaces between your teeth, effectively removing food particles and plaque buildup. What makes these picks stand out is their dual action design: a textured pick for dislodging food, and a bristle end to scrub away plaque and help reduce tooth decay. Now, I'll be honest with you, I wasn't expecting much from an oral care product like this, but after testing them, I was really impressed by how well they fit into my daily routine. I keep one of these cases in my purse, and I use them on the go after meals. The size is perfect. They don't take up much space, but they're big enough to handle the job. I've tried a few other brands in the past, but these bristle picks feel sturdier and more efficient. Here's how it works. The textured pick is great for getting in those hard-to-reach spaces and dislodging food, while the bristles are excellent for getting rid of plaque. It's a quick process, and I noticed that my mouth feels much fresher after using them. What's even better is that these picks are gentle enough for everyday use, but effective at cleaning those tough spots. When it comes to the pros, first off, I love the portability. The carrying case is small enough to slide into a pocket or purse, making it a breeze to take with you when you're out and about. Another big plus is that the bristle picks work well for people with sensitive gums. They clean without causing irritation, which is a huge win for me. On the flip side, the only downside I could find is that the bristle picks aren't quite as durable as I'd like them to be. After using them a few times, I did notice some fraying at the tips. That's something to consider if you're someone who prefers long-lasting tools. Now, let's talk about value for money. DenTek's Deep Clean Bristle Picks come in a pack of 100, so you're definitely getting a good amount for your money. I find them to be a solid choice compared to other flossing tools or toothpicks that don't clean as thoroughly or don't fit as easily into your purse. The convenience, quality, and price point seem pretty well balanced to me. In terms of build quality, the picks themselves feel lightweight and are made of flexible plastic, but not flimsy. The case is compact and secure, ensuring that your picks won't spill out, which is always a plus when you're traveling. They're pretty durable for the price, but as I mentioned earlier, they could last a bit longer with regular use. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you're itching to get them, the link is in the comments. As for customer service, I haven't had any personal experiences with DenTek, but they're known for offering good support in case there are any issues with their products. So you can feel confident that they'll be responsive if anything comes up. If you're looking for something similar, you might want to consider some of the other dental care products out there, like floss picks or traditional dental floss if you're more comfortable with those. However, I've found that these DenTek bristle picks do the job faster and are a lot less messy than regular floss. To wrap it up, DenTek Deep Clean Bristle Picks are an excellent addition to your oral care routine. They do what they promise: clean your teeth, remove food, and fight plaque. And they do it conveniently. They're easy to carry, effective, and reasonably priced. If you're looking for an easy way to keep your teeth clean between meals, these picks are definitely worth trying. Thank you for watching. If you've used this product, drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.